something more if you would just stay here for